Welcome to the front of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner on the power key here on the right side of our phone, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here so fast and correct. I can just unlock the device with a simple touch on the power key. I'm not pressing it, so I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode, pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.